Hello and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. So how do you create 911 off of infinite graph? So without further ado, let's just get into it. You need water. Water here to create a lake. Put earth beside water. Fire to create lava here. Put water again to create stone. Put lake to create the lighthouse here. Just merge them both together. Stone. We need two stones here. Top. Place in the top of each other to create boulder. And then let's just put it here together to create the Statue of Liberty. And the Statue of Liberty, you're going to create the water to create New York. And then fire. There you go. So I hope this video has been any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Tricks Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.